I mean, please let me at least finish one sentence. I beg the court. Sir, nahi, I want to finish my sentence.
This was not the ground.
Sir, please.
High court
नहीं है सर, मैं सिर्फ एक लाइन पढ़ दूं और I move on. अगर आप मुझे नहीं चाहते हैं कि मैं नहीं पढ़ूं, I'll go by whatever the Honorable Chief Justice of the majority says, and I'll move on, sir. But may I just say that ये जो objection आ रहा है, sir,
if before I see the relevance of
I know my lord always
can
says
I
this.
finish my sentence before I see the relevance or irrelevance of something. I need to understand it, and the only way I have no magical way of understanding anything till I read the document, and then I may come to the conclusion it is completely irrelevant. But can you please, for my benefit,
and
read it?
throughout this hearing, I've been making this error where I tell myself that please read the whole thing.
खत्म करें, आगे
Sir,
बढ़ें,
पढ़ दें,
जल्दी
please.
जल्दी करें.
Sir, बस पढ़ दें और मैं I'm just going to close the book and move on.
कौन सा पेज पढ़ना चाहते
Sir, ये है page 279 of the concise statement CM 5840, page 24279.
This is already on the record. No?
जी,
We have even considered documents given across the bar. जी.
باب اول
میں بھی یہی کہہ رہا تھا.
دفعہ 1 سنی اتحاد کونسل، دفعہ 2 مرکزی دفتر لاہور، دفعہ 3
کون
رکنیت.
سی شیخ پورا نہ پڑھیں پلیز.
جی سر.
نہیں یہاں سے پڑھیں پلیز.
جی سر.
اور پڑھ دو بھائی.
اہلیت ممبر پاکستان کا ہر بالغ مسلمان مرد یا عورت رکنیت اختیار کر سکتا ہے بشرطے کہ وہ مندرجہ ذیل شرائط پوری کرتا ہو، قرآن و سنت کی بالادستی کو دو قومی نظریہ پر یقین رکھتا ہو اور
مجھے
پاکستان
سمجھ نہیں آ رہا کہاں سے پڑھ رہے ہیں آپ یہ چیزیں.
سر یہ
Under the box.
پینسل کا باکس بنا ہوا ہے.
جی اچھا ٹھیک ہے، سوری آئی مسڈ دیٹ.
قرآن و سنت کی بالادستی اور دو قومی نظریہ پر یقین رکھتا ہو اور پاکستان کا وفادار ہو. اور
ادھر تو لکھا ہوا ہے مرد یا عورت.
جی مرد
So
ہو
I only said basically male
مسلمان
Muslims are
مرد
fine and everyone else is out.
اوکے
جی
اوکے جی.
اور براعظم مسلمانوں کے منسلک اور عقیدے سے متفق ہو اور محمد مصطفیٰ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کی ختم تحفظ اور نظام مصطفیٰ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کے نفاذ کے لیے قلبی اور ذہنی رجحان رکھتا ہو، شریعت سے انفرادی اور اجتماعی قوانین پر عمل کرنے سے گریز نہ کرے اور حتی مقدور اسلام کے بنیادی احکامات پر عمل پیرا ہو، اسلامی تعلیمات کی روشنی میں پیش کردہ بندی عصبیت علاقائیت اور نسلی امتیاز سے پاک ہو، سنی اتحاد کونسل کے منشور اور دستور کی پابندی کا عہد کرتے ہوئے کرتا بس. اوکے.
This is the law,
So
sir.
do you look at this for all parties before giving them any reserved seats? Is this something that you do for everybody?
No, I don't.
So then why are you relying on it for them?
I am relying on it now because as a council it came to me that I should check their constitution. I came across this provision. It seems very relevant to bring
Did
to the
you check
notice.
the constitution
Ladies,
of
please, let me-
any other
I've
parties?
already answered no. I said emphatically no, I did not, madam. Let me please finish my sentence. So I, as a lawyer, asked for it. I came across it. I considered it relevant to bring it to the notice of this court. I considered it pertinent.
All right,
as
we
a counsel,
understood that.
let me finish.
نہیں
Let me
ایک
finish.
سیکنڈ نا. You want me to make a document? Please listen to me.
کاؤنسل
You
کو
want
ختم تو
me?
کرنے دیں.
Ladyship, I'm not being allowed to answer
You
my
are,
question.
you are. I am paying attention. I am. Let me just say, if you want me to look at this document
I don't want you
and
to look
read
at it
this
anymore.
document, I want to know کہ اور سب کے دیکھیں کہ میں بس ایک کی سلیکٹیو دیکھ رہی ہوں اور باقی اگنور کر رہی ہوں.
میں نے نہیں دیکھے.
تو پھر میں یہ کیوں دیکھ رہی ہوں؟
نہ دیکھیں آپ.
تو پھر آپ اس پہ اتنا زور کیوں لگا رہے
the
ہیں؟
notice of the entire bench.
کیوں لائے ہیں نوٹس پہ without doing the complete work?
یہاں پہ sir, I want to make a statement.
Let me come to your rescue,
Sir,
Learned
I
Counsel.
have-
It did make effect on me when I read this.
Yes.
So you've made your point. Please
I'll
move
move on.
on. Please move on to your next
I won't-
Mr. I don't know relevance or irrelevance. Probably on the irrelevant part is that you should chano be in every memorandum and see if it conforms to Pakistan's constitution. Okay. The other thing is a person is now claiming a right. Two rights they are claiming. One are seats for women. Suppose the political party says no women allowed in a political party. In my opinion, that would become a relevant fact.
Yes.
People may disagree.
Yes.
Another party may say, fine, very good, we only want Christians, we only want Muslims, we want But then you can't claim, in my opinion, another seat because you are in violation of your constitution, because that will be a contradiction in terms. To that extent, I would definitely, and when we talk about inclusivity, this is very, very, very important. And problems of Pakistan is when we forget what the constitution says, what this country means, what this flag means. Is it all irrelevant to just focus on something? We have to push. I mean, if we are going with a larger thing, then this is even larger than the larger thing.
We appreciate your.
अब आगे बढ़ें.
आप आगे
That was
बढ़ें.
just,
आप
my
अपने
lord,
submissions
मैं अपने
करें.
submission. My lord, now I come to formulation number 1, and very, very quickly, I'll be quick. May I read 51, and I will read section 51 without saying anything, and section 104, and then I will give my section. I'll read Article 51, my lord,
Article 50.
and then I will read section 104, and then I'll substantiate my formulation
हम पढ़
number 1.
चुके हैं.
मानो मैंने अभी तक बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा है. मैंने एक दफा भी नहीं पढ़ा सर.
पढ़ लें.
मखदूम अली खान.
Sir, since it is common ground that the constitutional provisions regulating allocation of reserve seats to women and non-Muslims, the same process, constitutional scheme and principles will apply. I am going to, since it's all been read many times, I seek my Lord's leave to just read 51DE. I'm going to read 51DE and section 104, and then I'll make my submissions. And I can read any other provision, of course, that my Lords wish.
आप E नहीं पढ़ेंगे. You don't want to read E.
I want to read, sir, E first.
पढ़िए.
G. Because there's a point I want to make. Members to the seats reserved for non-Muslims shall be elected in accordance with law through proportional representation system of political parties' lists of candidates on the basis of total number of general seats won by each political party in the National Assembly. This is the principal clause, and it's followed by a proviso. Provided that for the purpose of this paragraph, the total number of general seats won by a political party shall include the independent returned candidate or candidates who may duly join such political party within 3 days of the publication in the official gazette of the names of the returned candidates. Now, my lord, I will read section 1.